Is your toilet not flushing? Pipes frozen or bursting? Quik Action Plumbing provides plumbing services to the greater Atlanta area. We are a full-service plumbing company offering you the best in quality materials and the quickest response time available. Our team of plumbing professionals are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and skilled in installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting of plumbing fixtures and systems in homes, apartments, and commercial buildings. Contact us for a free estimate at 770-948-7988 or visit us online at www.quickactionplumb.com for more information.